Proxy server. What is a proxy server? Proxy server is a gateway between you as a user and the internet. So why proxy server is needed? Why it is in between you and internet? Why we require it? So let us understand with an example. Now you are here, Mr. A. Now you have a crush. You love someone. This is Miss B. Now you want to convey your message to Miss B. Now you are afraid she may deny, she may call police, like that. Okay. So what will you do? You will ask a common friend, maybe C. Now you ask him that please take my message or convey my message as a proxy to her, to B. Now when C goes to B, B knows that C is not proposing her. Actually A is proposing her. So she won't be reacting in a way she should have reacted if A has come directly to B. Okay. So there is a proxy C used by A to talk to B. Okay. So A will be anonymous. A will be hiding, and A may use the proxy, which is C. So a proxy server can be a system, it can be a server, it can be a router that provides a gateway between user, that means you, and the complete network or the internet. So A is client here, B is internet here, and C is the proxy server. Okay. So in between you and your would-be girlfriend, there is a proxy. Okay. So this proxy is a server. We call it as intermediary because it is in between the end users and the internet, because normally what you do on internet, that is web pages, website, internet content you visit. So the basic idea, basic usage of proxy server is to stop or protect the direct connection of the internet clients with the internet resources. So here your friend C is a proxy which is protecting your direct connection from your girlfriend. So proxy server is also preventing the identification. See, any system on a network or on internet has an IP address. So this IP address is your unique ID by which you are known in the entire world. So if your IP is 11.22.33.44, when you go to proxy server, you say proxy server, please get me this website. So proxy server will take your request. Now it will send the internet its own IP, which may be 22, 33, 44, 55. So the internet or the outside world will know your IP not as 11.22.33.44, but it will know your IP as 22.33.44.55. So proxy server allows you as a user to access any website or web content with a different IP address, which is essentially your proxy server IP address. So your direct access is stopped when connected to a proxy server. All the web traffic is actually routed through a proxy server instead of going directly to website that you want to visit, you want to use. So the most important thing you need to understand is whenever we talk about proxy server, we always talk about word VPN, virtual private network with it. The basic difference is the proxy server has no encryption. VPN has encryption. So whenever you are talking to proxy server or you're directly interacting with internet, it's almost same because your data is open. The only thing you are hiding is your IP address or your existence. Okay. So now let me show you an example which we normally use. We are very well aware of that. YouTube. So a client is requesting a YouTube video. It will not ask YouTube. It will ask proxy server. This proxy server will take the request, go to the youtube.com. It will get the video and it will return to you back. In between, the proxy server will also keep the cache. That is, if you ask for the video again, the proxy server will not go to YouTube again. It will give you the video from what it has cached. There may be multiple clients, C2, C3, asking for the same video. Because of the cache, this thing speeds up. So this is another important usage of proxy server.